everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple Christmas fruit cake at home from scratch. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you share this recipe, okay? Share and share. Someone else might need this recipe. So guys, let me introduce you to the ingredients we are going to be working with. So this is 228 grams of all-purpose flour. This is 220 grams of margarine or butter. You can use butter or margarine. 3 large eggs, 100 grams of brown sugar, 400 grams of mixed fruits. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of flavor. I'm using a butterscotch flavor. You can use vanilla or butterscotch, and you can mix vanilla and butterscotch together. I'm going to be adding all dry ingredients together. So this is all-purpose flour, one teaspoon of mixed spice powder, half teaspoon salt. Then I'm going to mix it together like so. Then I'm going to set it aside. Guys, at this point, I'm going to sprinkle a little flour on the mixed fruit so that it will not sink into the butter. So I need to mix it with a little bit of flour so that it will keep floating in the batter. So please note that. Don't just pour it like that into the batter. Mix it with a little bit of flour so that it will float. So at this point, guys, I'm going to be adding the golden syrup, the 1 tablespoon. I'm going to be adding it to So the next thing I'm going to be adding now is 3-4 cup water. So guys, at this point I am done with hand mixer. I'm just going to be folding in the fruit bit by bit. Oh. Can you guys see how it looks like right now? It's not too thick and not too loose. So right now I'm going to be transferring it into a baking pan. This is a greased baking pan. So this is a greased baking pan. So I'm going to pour the batter into it. So right now, I'm going to tap it down as always 3 times just to release excess air trapped inside, and I'm going to bake till toothpicks comes out clean from the middle of the cake. This is what the Christmas fruit cake looks like. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Share this video if you like it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, most importantly. So see how dense it is, see how soft. Can you guys see? I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.